In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively log in and utilize the marketing tools on Booksy to enhance your business communication. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Booksy website. Once you're there, you'll notice the login option prominently displayed. Click on that and enter your business account details. Make sure your username and password are at your fingertips to avoid any unnecessary delays. If you're anything like me and tend to forget passwords, consider using a secure password manager to keep track of your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard filled with options and information. It's time to move to the left-hand menu where you'll spot the marketing section. It may sometimes be referred to as promotions, but don't let that throw you off. Click on it, and this will take you to the area where you manage all your campaigns, deals, and communications with your clients. This is a treasure trove for boosting your engagement and reach, so it's an area you'll want to get comfortable with. Next, within the marketing section, find and select Message Clients. This is where you begin the process of creating a direct line to your customers. You'll see a couple of options here: email campaigns and SMS campaigns. Today, we're focusing on email campaigns, which are great for reaching a wide audience in an impactful way. To start, you'll want to click the option that says Plus New Email Campaign. This is the stepping stone to crafting your message. Spend a little time on creating a strong subject line, something that grabs attention but is also true to the content of your message. Once that's set, focus on the message content itself. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Feel free to add images or links to your services or even special promotions you're running. These elements can make your emails much more engaging and likely to catch the recipient's eye. Now, it's important to decide who exactly you want to receive this email. In the recipient selection area, you have several options: sending to all clients, targeting those who booked a specific service, or even reaching out to clients who visited within a particular date range. Tailor this part based on what you aim to achieve with your campaign, whether it's boosting repeat business or promoting a new service. With your list in place, take a moment to review everything. It's easy to miss small errors at this stage, so a second pair of eyes can be invaluable if possible. Finally, decide whether to send your masterpiece right away or schedule it for a future date and time. Scheduling can be particularly useful if you want to catch your client's attention when it best suits your strategy. And there you have it, a clear path to leveraging the marketing tools on Booksy for better client communication. Happy campaigning!